that I rightly earlier also I said, if we do anything, it's our source is a atmosphere. So if there are the many ways, then man-made activities can affect the polar regions. The first example is atmospheric pollution. In atmospheric pollution, there are the different gases such as sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, etc., which may transport from the lower latitude to the polar region. In addition, there are the tiny particles suspended in the air known as aerosol. And this size maybe ranges from 1 mm, 1 nanometer to 10 micrometers. And when we heard about the black carbon, it is an aerosol which is mainly generated by the man-made activities such as vehicles you are using as an industrial exhaust, volcanic eruptions, forest fires. These are the reasons, these are the causing factors for that. These aerosol transport to the polar regions and affect the radiation and influence the temperature, which is and that will lead to the melting of the sea ice. Well, how is this happening? These black carbons absorbing that aerosols get deposited over the snow. With the snow, it will be deposited and can be reflectance, affect the snow reflectance. And because of the reflectance, the melting will be taking place in there. Because albedo, that will be absorption will be more in the ice. And right now, India has established or establishing also in the polar aerosol network that is called PolarNet. And this that will be going for continuous measurements for the long-term aerosols and climatic impact over the polar regions. So our dedicated group in NCPOR from the Arctic division, they are working on that PolarNet. So this will be definitely, it's going to be create the awareness. We should be stop such kind of emissions as much as possible, because if once it is disturb the ecosystem, it will be difficult to survive in such kind of environment.